Assalamualaikum students, class 6 Hives. Our topic is introduction to set. In our lesson number 2, we will read about set notation. What is set notation? A set may be written in 3 different forms called notation. There are 3 methods. Number 1, descriptive method. Number 2, tabular roster method. Number 3, set builder method. Descriptive method. In this method, we define set in the proper words. If I want to write set of students who are born in March, then I can write it like this. The set of students born in March. We do not use curly bracket. If I want to write set of natural number less than 20, and then I can write it like this. A is a set of natural number less than 20. Our second method is roster tabular method. In this method, all the elements of the sets are listed within curly bracket and separated by comma. For example, vowels in English alphabet. A is the set of A, E, I, O, U. Our second example is alphabet in the word flower. We represent the set of flower by B, F, L, O, W, E, R. F, L, O, W, E, R. These are the elements. Third, set builder method. In this method, the set is expressed in the form of a rule. Suppose if I want to write set of counting number less than or equal to 30, S is a set X, that is X less than equal to 30, and X is the element of natural number. The set S has an element of X where X is less than equal to 30 and X is the element of natural number. Now class 6, open page number 5. We will solve exercise number 1B. Question number 1. Write the following sets in the tabular form. We will solve part 1, 3 and 5. Part 1. M. The set M has an element X where X is the name of the President of Pakistan. You have to write the name of the President of Pakistan. M equals to tell the name of the President of Pakistan. Yes, Ayub Khan. Asif Ali Zardari. Parvez Musharraf. Ziaul Haq. Okay. Part 3. A. The set A has an element Y where Y is the multiple of 3. You have to write the multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Part 5. C. The set C has an element of X where X is the number divisible by 3 and less than 20. See this 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, yes, 15, 18, right. Class 6, open page number 6. On page number 6, you have question number 2. Write the following sets in the set builder form. We will solve part 1, 3 and 5, and part 2 and 4 is your homework. We will solve part 1, 3 and 5, and part 2 and 4 is your homework. So, in part 1, you have P, A, B, C, Z. You have a set of A, B, C to Z. You have to write this set in set builder form. The set P has an element X, where X is the letter of English alphabet. You will write it like this. The set P has an element X, where X is the letter of English alphabet. Part 3, 1, 3, 5, 9. These are odd number. So, how you will write it? The set R has an element X, where X is an odd number less than 10. Now part 5, January, June, July. These are the names of the month. So the set T has an element X, where X is the name of the month starting with J. Homework part 2 and 4. You have part 2 and 4 in your notebook.